Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Bugatti robotic campervan instantly conjures up an intriguing contrast between extreme luxury, top-tier engineering, and cutting-edge automation in the context of recreational vehicles. The creative combination of these components offers an intriguing image of travel in the future, even if Bugatti is best known for its hypercars and has never before entered this market. If one were to imagine such a car, the outside would probably reflect Bugatti's distinctive style. It would be expected to have sleek, aerodynamic lines, possibly combining iconic design elements like the flowing C-line and the horseshoe grille. The robotic element might be demonstrated by the smooth incorporation of automated features like leveling systems, self-deploying awnings, and possibly even dynamically modifying body panels for the best interior space or aerodynamics. In keeping with Bugatti's technical philosophy, materials that are both lightweight and highly strong, like carbon fiber, would probably be used extensively. Unmatched luxury and cutting-edge technology would surely be given top priority inside a 2026 Bugatti robotic campervan. Imagine a cabin that has been painstakingly constructed with the best materials, such as exotic woods, soft leathers, and custom metalwork. At the push of a button or even with voice commands, the robotic aspect might be extended to the interior design, where modular elements automatically reorganize to accommodate various purposes, changing from a lounge area to an eating area or a sleeping arrangement. Security, entertainment, and climate management would all be seamlessly integrated with advanced smart home technologies. The term campervan suggests a certain level of independence and travel-related practicality. This might contain a luxurious kitchenette with top-of-the-line appliances, possibly even equipped with automated food preparation. A chic bathroom and an opulent sleeping space with high-quality linen would also be necessary. A clutter-free atmosphere would be guaranteed by numerous, well-thought-out storage options, possibly made available via automated technologies. Performance would probably be taken into account given Bugatti's history, but only in relation to a larger car. One could expect a smooth and effortless cruising experience from a potent and sophisticated powertrain, possibly a hybrid system. In order to let passengers unwind and enjoy the ride, the robotic component may also be extended to highly advanced driver assistance systems, possibly incorporating extremely complex autonomous driving capabilities. To sum up, the 2026 Bugatti robotic campervan is a fictitious pinnacle of opulent mobile life that skillfully combines Bugatti's hypercar heritage with cutting-edge robotics and the usefulness of a campervan. It imagines a car that combines sophisticated automation with luxurious design to provide a very comfortable and innovative travel experience. Even if it is only a concept, the word alone piques interest since it imagines a time when even leisure travel would be enhanced to an exceptionally high degree of elegance and engineering.